Okay, everybody, so this video is to go over how to maybe give you some tips as to how to answer this section for your reasoning, because remember, you're going to have to think back to the claim and the light intensity question, looking at your data, right, from the graph as to what's going on, okay? And so, one of the tips I have is to download from self-service this PhET app. So if you go to self-service, you're going to then search for PHET. And I don't have it because I already have it installed, but you should have it. And it looks like this. And you're going to look for color vision. Okay, so PhET is simulation, a science in science simulation app. So we're going to go into a single bulb, and if you don't need to download it if you don't want to, because I'm going to kind of show you how to do this right now. Okay, so imagine, right, that if you were the Elodia and you're sitting, and we're just going to demo this little simulation first. I'm going to turn on the light. I'm actually going to turn off the filter. Hold on. There you go. Turning off the filter. And so white light, if you were to look at it in the photon level, it's a bunch of different colors. It's combined together. We talked about that. Okay. Now, if we were to turn on the filter for green, you can see how your eyes will then be turned green, right? I mean, you're just going to see green because everything's passing through except, or everything's is filtering everything except for green. And that's essentially what the cellophane is doing in a jar. So if you were, imagine that you, instead of the eyes here, instead of the person sitting here, that you are the Elodia sitting in the jar, okay? And thinking about what color you would see, right? If this was a green jar and you are the person looking out, you're in the jar and you're looking out, what color would you see? You would see green, right? Okay, now if you were to change it to blue, you would also see blue light. If you were sitting in the red jar, you would see red light. So thinking about that, okay, and then go back and think about this graph here, okay? So meaning which of these wavelengths is chlorophyll A and B absorbing the most, okay? So that should give you enough clues and enough hints to get you going for the reasoning section. I really want you, there's really no right answer, but I do want you to think about and communicate that reason using that graph, okay? All right, talk to you later.